like river, water, air, soil, then birds, animals and so on. So students, let's start our chapter. Let's start our chapter with these small activities. So students, here there are 4 pictures. A boy, a tree, a stone, the sun. Now let's read this sentence. Put a tick if you think they breathe, eat food, man-made things. We can take another example also. This is your tulip. Yes or no? Your tulip. This also made by a human beings. So it is also called a man-made things. Like this, there are so many examples of man-made things like chair, table, pencil, our school building. Yes, this also made by human beings. So it is also called a man-made things. Now all of you read this paragraph. Read with me only. Put your finger there, all of you. Some of the things in our environment, such as the roads, buildings, boards, sheets, tables, pens, and pencils are made by human beings. Such things are called man-made things. As I already told you before, all these things are called man-made things, which are made by human beings. ऐसी चीज जो हम human beings बनाते हैं, उसी को ही बोलते हैं man-made things. So, look here down. There is an example of man-made things: table, chair, pencil, and there are many examples as I explained before. So now let's move ahead. All of you look here in this yellow box. All of you look here. We can do now this yellow box. Tick write the correct answer. Number 1. All the things around us form our dash. Your option is environment, home. What is your answer? Yes, environment. So students, please, this first answer, we have to pick. This first answer, environment. Next question. Things that occur in nature are called dash things. जो नेचर के साथ जुड़े